What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another edition of The Driving Professor. For those of you who are new to the channel, I'm your host, as always, Rashid White. And if you're also new, definitely subscribe to the channel and also consider sharing the video there. All right, so this video actually comes from, I think, Fort Wayne, Indiana, and African-American woman gets pulled over by the police and things go south in a hurry, and let's get into it. Let's see what we got over here.
My friend,
okay.
I'm confused on why I even got.
It's very simple. You just ran a stop sign. Okay.
Did, though.
Yeah, you did. Okay. I need your name.
All right. First of all, this actually comes from Police Activity, and definitely check out their channel and also consider subscribing to those guys. And second, everybody. I see so many people, including myself, actually blow stop signs. When you come to a stop sign, you actually have to come to a complete stop. So what most people actually do is roll and then stop. You have to come to a complete stop, I guess wait a couple of seconds and then go. But everybody breaks traffic laws. You know, I'm a professional driver. I drive a bus. I've been doing this like 24 years, driving a bus and a tractor trailer. I see people, including myself, actually blow traffic laws all the time. All right, let's get into this.
Ma'am, turn the car off, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
471, what was the female's name again? She's not complying. Step up. That's not how this works. Step out of the car.
You just pulled me up.
Step out of the car.
Reason.
Step out of the car.
No.
Yes. Listen, this is going to go a couple ways, okay? You can either listen, we can do this easy, or...
Right, but okay, so let me see me running the stop sign. You got your cam on, right?
We have cameras, yes.
Okay, so let me see it.
No, I'm not showing you...
Why? I don't understand why argue with... Well, what is with people, and I see this in so many cases, like just arguing with cops, and especially they have you on camera, just like, oh my gosh, people are so just remedial.
The camera.
I'm about to call my lawyer. No. You can back the fuck up.
Step out of the car. Step out of the car, or I'm going to make you step out of the car, okay?
We need you to step out of the car. We can have a conversation in the back.
No,
that's not how this works.
No, that's not how this
Step
works.
out of the car.
No, that is how it works, because I didn't do anything, and you're
If I have to put hands on you and you resist, you're going to get another charge, okay?
So we just need you to step out. So
step out of the car, please.
Force you to come out.
Do it.
Step out of the car.
Do it.
And you hear the white knight in the background. Yo, don't put your hands on her. Don't put your hands on her. You know, what about she actually has a warrant out for arrest, man? You know, like, I mean, I don't know what's up with people over here, man. They've just been brainwashed and bamboozled by the media to go actually hate the police, man. Listen, the police are not your enemies, okay? The same people that actually hate you, they hate the cops too, all right?
Step out of the car. Okay, step out of the car. Don't you fucking kick me!
Damn, she just kicked the officer? Oh my gosh, and she tried to kick him in the groin too. Dad, you turned a simple, like, infraction, like a traffic infraction, into assault on a police officer. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with people today, man?
Don't you fucking kick me! Bitch! Don't fucking kick me! Put your hands behind your hands! Put your hands behind your back!
Well, she lost her wig right there, man. Oh, there go her real hair.
Give me your fucking hands!
Oh
2015. Give me your hands!
I'm gonna spray real quick.
Give me your hands! You're getting pepper sprayed! Give me your hands! Give me your hands!
You got my hands. You got my hands.
Give me your hands!
You got my hands.
You are not listening.
You
Give me
got
your hands.
my hands.
Put them behind your back.
How would you get them?
Put them behind your back!
I can't.
They got them.
They got your hands. Get your hands up.
Stop.
You're so bitch. Everything's recorded, you dumb fuck.
Yeah, I mean, they record you a resisting arrest. I mean, listen, if you're wrongfully, like I guess, treated by the police, or I guess abused in somehow, I mean, these counties and cities, they have money set aside for you, you know, just in case like something like this actually happens. hash it out in court. More than likely, you know, they're going to settle, and you could just get an easy $15,000 or something like that, 20 grand, if, you know, the police are actually wrong. And a lot of times they are wrong. I mean, you know, they're human beings too, and they make mistakes. But I mean, this right here, man, I don't know how you really just.
And you just punched me in my face.
Yeah, you kicked me.
Yeah,
Bitch,
man.
'cause you hit me and you pulled my fucking wig off.
Stay back. I don't have this one on.
I know it ain't take two of y'all, bro. I know it ain't take two of y'all, bro.
Stop.
No.
Stop.
Bitch, my eye burning.
Hey, chill out with your knee, bro. Hey, chill out, bro.
Stay back.
Chill out, bro. Hey, bro, do your regular nigga. I can't breathe.
Yo, Captain Saber, you know what, man? Listen, I advise you guys, man, stop messing with women like this, man. I don't understand what's wrong with a lot of you guys, man. And the fact that men go out there really and mess with women like this really just further empowers them not to really change. And, you know, these women are like, you know, I see a lot of them. I encounter a lot of them. I mean, they're violent. They're ready to fight. I mean, they're worse than the men. You know, it's I don't know why they have so much actually like pent up anger, but you know, it boggles my mind. So yeah, she loses her wig right there, man. I mean, this is bad all around. But listen, follow the traffic laws, and also, I forgot to even put in here that she didn't even have a license on her. You know, so she's driving without a license too. So, I mean, all this stuff is actually on camera. You have to be mindful of this stuff, man. You're actually on camera. You are being recorded. You know, so more than likely, if the cops actually pulled you over for something, just be nice, man. You know, a lot of times they'll actually even let you off with a warning, and other times, like they will, you know, you get to court and you know, not well. I'm in New York City. There's no like haggling or anything like that with like with the courts or anything like that. But a lot of times you can like really kind of turn these things into parking tickets and really have no type of fine. No, I'm sorry, no type of points on your license, and you don't have to worry about your insurance premiums going up. So just comply with the police. I don't know why people have such a problem and such an issue, and why there's so much pent up anger against police. I mean, for the like of me, I don't get it. Are there bad cops out there? Yes, there's bad in everything. All right, there's bad cops and bad doctors, and I mean, if you take a bus, you know, to work, I mean, you'll get a bad bus driver. I mean, you'll get a bad cab driver, a bad dental hygienist. I mean, there's bad at every single thing, man. It doesn't mean the actual whole majority or every single cop is bad or every single doctor is actually bad. You know, we got to really kind of stop doing this and we got to do better, man. We got to do better. All right, so definitely like, comment, subscribe. Certainly share this video. When you share, the universe certainly shares back with you. Peace.